Hello, I am Purvi Maru and I am welcoming you all to my channel Food, Health and Acupressure. Today we will be talking about acupressure points for cholesterol. High cholesterol is a pretty common issue these days. Let us first know what is cholesterol. Cholesterol is a type of lipid which is waxy and it is a fat-like substance which is produced by our liver. Cholesterol is vital for the formation of cell membranes, certain hormones and vitamin D. So by this you can understand cholesterol is very much important for our body. But if it is produced in large quantity, then it can be harmful for our body. So now let us know about acupressure points. Before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, then please do subscribe and do share this video with others so that they can also get this informative video. And if you want to join my WhatsApp group or Telegram group, then do click on the link in the description box. And over here, you can see this is my Instagram page. You can also go and follow this page. On this page, I share many acupressure related posts. Do check it out. So we'll be discussing single point today. Our acupressure point is on the front side of our hand on the middle finger. So you can see this first joint of the middle finger. Just above that joint, exactly in the center is this point. You can see this first joint of the middle finger. Just above that point, exactly in the center is our point. Okay. So this point is called as SP4, spleen meridian's fourth. So over here what we will do, we will press this point for 30 seconds to 1 minute properly with the help of a jimmy. After that we will apply one tonification sedation magnet or buell magnet on this point. If you are not having these magnets and if you want to buy them, then we have made a basic acupressure kit in which all these magnets, jimmies and things which we use in acupressure are included in that kit. So if you want to buy it, you can see the contact details on the screen. You can just message on that number and buy it for yourself. So on this point we apply one tonification sedation magnet or buell magnet in such a way that the yellow part of the buell magnet will touch the skin, and from the outside you can see the white part of the buell magnet. So we need to increase the energy of this point. So we will apply one buell magnet in this way properly on this point. This point is bilateral, that means you can do it on both the hands. You need to apply the magnet for 8 to 10 hours, and whenever you will remove it, you need to throw the tape away and bring both the magnets together so that they can energize themselves and you can use it again. Magnets do not expire and you can use it for lifetime. So do this treatment daily and you will definitely feel the results. So that's all for today. If you found my video good, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.